My extensions save me so much time with these nighttime braids that I'm about to show you. These are our signature nighttime braids that we have all of our guests do with their extensions. Super simple. I actually don't know how to braid. I take a wet brush, always start from the bottom, way up, make sure everything's brushed out, and I section it right down the middle. My favorite oil to add some moisture. Okay, take one tiny piece. Take one directly underneath it, clean it up a little bit. So now I have two pieces twisted over top of each other. Slide one under here. Take that, twist it. Clean it up, twist it. Clean it up and twist it. Okay, so now I got these two pieces. I have this chunk down here. We're at the nape of the neck. I want this section to be big enough that it kind of matches the other sections. And I'm gonna take it and I'm just making it into a normal 3-strand braid. I try to keep it a little tighter in this area, but don't stress perfection because you're literally gonna sleep on these. Okay, and then I like to leave a little bit of my ends out just so they don't get like kinky. Take a clear elastic, wham bam. There we go. Do it to the other side. Got my twist braids, so simple. Best part is I'll wake up in the morning, undo my braids, and my hair will be perfectly beach waved and I won't have to do a thing. At Texture+Sage, we love teaching our guests how to style their hair. So if this is something you want to learn how to do, make sure to bring it up at your next appointment. We'd love to help you.